So I just got in the SPACEKEEPER hand truck. It's supposed to have a 500-pound limit on it. Let me show you how it works real quick. You can slide that out, that extends your deck, and you can raise your handle. There's a button right here, you can raise it up, just like with your luggage. I've got a couple of totes. Let's see how they fit. This is a 14-gallon tote. Looks like it's gonna fit on there perfectly. They have a larger 18-gallon tote. This is my big tote. Let's see how that, 95% of it is on the deck. Should not be any problem. And it does come with bungee cords to strap it down. You have a heavy enough load in here though. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but if you have to go very far, it'd be better to go ahead and strap your load down. Easily rolls. My only thought on this is when you get into the deeper grass or going through a yard or whatever, the wheels are rather small. They're not extremely small, probably an inch and a quarter, 1 inch wheels. We're gonna see how it works in the real world. Well, this is not what I had in mind to do a demonstration with, but cleaning out the shed. And this was heavy. So this hand truck works perfect, even through the grass.